Hey After Effects buddies, let's take a look at using ChatGPT to create a simple After Effects expression. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to count down from 10 to 1. Okay, so in the got a screen grab here of what I did. I simply typed in a prompt, write an After Effects expression to count down from 10 to 1 using whole numbers. And this is what ChatGPT gave me back, an expression. I just click there to copy the code and some instructions. Okay, so following the instructions, I'm going to go into a new comp, and then I'm just going to go into the source text here. I'm going to Alt or Option click on the stopwatch, and I'm going to paste in the expression. Click to close, and here we go. 10, 9. So it's counting down at a rate of 1 number per second. There you go. So it's as simple as that. So try out some more in the future as ChatGPT gets better, but a new tool for creating After Effects expressions. So good to play about with. Thanks for watching, buddies. Cheers.